Yeah. Lights, camera, action, nasa phase 5 bumabayo, yeah, aking musika. Kalmado aming neighborhood, walang violent. Lahat may diskarte, pinupudpud ko bagong sapatos. Rapper na ngayon, dati na nangalog ng dos. Kalmado ang lahat, half court aming spot. Nagtulak dati ng bricks pero dito naging hot. Alam niya ng mga real, huwag kang maingay sa kaganapan dyan. Sarili kong pelikula, syempre bida man. Magpataas ng value, welcome to the fucking block. Salamat sa paghihirap ko, ginanahan ng bumangon to, yeah. Phase 5 Concord Kali on the house. Yo, sick.
He was from his neighborhood, but he wasn't a gang member. He was just a hustler.
Yeah.
That's what it is. It's a difference, a hustler and a gang member. None of us was gang members.
Right.